Step down. Step down. Good bird. See, that's a good bird. You've got to get used to stepping up and stepping down. Yeah. Want to dance? You like dancing, don't you? Let's go pet him.
I think when I move, I startle him.
Look here. Where you going?
He's like, retreat, retreat.
Medicine on your lips. Get it.
What'd you say?
Get it. Got medicine on his lips.
His lips?
His cheeks.
Oh.
Corner of his mouth. Smarty pants.
So you like your bird?
Yeah, a little bit better now.
A little better after your vet appointment and learn a little bit more about him? About her?
Yeah, her. She. There's another girl in the house. Girl power. Girl power.
Come here, Archimedes.
Maybe that explains why she's so moody.
You're backing up.
Come here. You gonna step up? Good bird. Good bird. Step down. Step down.